Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this DEWALT Air Inflator. This DEWALT Air Inflator is compatible with flex volt batteries and 20 volt batteries. Putting in the battery in is very easy, it slides in like so, but for bigger batteries, it is easier to lay on its back. This is the power switch. This is the pressure adjustment dial. Lowest PSI is 3 and the highest is 160. The default setting is high pressure for pumping tires. After setting the desired PSI, you can press the inflation start button to start inflating. The pause button is also available if you want to stop. Now I will switch inflation mode to high volume. This will be good for things like air mattresses, water inflatables, and inflatable pool toys. This is the LED light switch. The LED light is pretty bright. It helps if you have to work in the dark. This is the high volume hose, nicely tucked on the side. It can expand up to 2 feet. It goes in very easy. Now here on this side is your storage compartment for your 12 volt cable and connector. The cable length is about 13.5 feet long. This port here is for the external power connector, sold separately. It's for the 12 volt DC or the 120 volt AC adapter. This unit cannot be used as a charger. The length of this hose is about 30 inches. It feels durable and long lasting. I really like this nozzle. It looks and feels like it's well built. The time it took to inflate this tire from 0 psi to 30 psi was 6 minutes and 40 seconds. When comparing DEWALT's pressure gauge, it's 1.5 psi more than my portable gauge and my car's TPMS. It's pretty close, but not terrible. This tire inflator does not have a memory function. It does not remember the last setting used.